This is as good as it gets. As good as it gets.
As good as it gets. As good as it gets យើងប្រើឃ្លា idiom មួយនេះដើម្បីនិយាយថាគ្មានអ្វីប្រសើរដែលអាចទៅរួចជាងអ្វីដែលកំពុងមានវត្តមាននោះទេឬមានន័យថាអ្វីមួយគឺអស់ល្អត្រឹមកម្រិតណាមួយហើយយើងមិនអាចធ្វើវាប្រសើរជាងកម្រិតនោះទេឧទាហរណ៍ It's not a great restaurant but in this part of the city it's as good as it gets It's not a great restaurant but in this part of the city it's as good as it gets មានន័យថាវាមិនមែនជាភោជនីយដ្ឋានដ៏អស្ចារ្យនោះទេប៉ុន្តែនៅក្នុងតំបន់ត្រង់នេះនៃទីក្រុងវាគឺអស់ល្អត្រឹមភោជនីយដ្ឋាននឹងហើយ
What if this is as good as it gets?
This is as good as it gets, Foggy.
And this is as good as it gets.
Maybe that's as good as it gets.
And that's about as good as it gets.
It's about as good as it gets.
As far as she's concerned, that's as good as it gets.
It's as good as you can get.
This is as good as it gets.
As always, this is as good as it's gonna get.
This is as good as it gets.
Is this as good as it gets?
This is as good as it gets.
This is as good as it gets.
Almost as good as getting it yourself.
That's as good as it gets.
Just say that's as good as it's gonna get.
It's as good as it gets.
It's as good as we're gonna get right now.
Good
Well-
as it gets.
That's as good as it's gonna get, isn't it?